Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best V60 ceramic dripper is probably one of the most popular pour-over coffee makers on the market, and for good reason. It's a simple, elegant, and effective way to brew a delicious cup of coffee. The V60's unique design allows for precise control over the brewing process, resulting in a clean and flavorful cup that highlights the nuances of your favorite coffee beans. If you're looking to elevate your coffee game, this is definitely a product you should consider. Number 5. Hario V60 Ceramic Pour-Over Coffee Set. This is the Hario V60 Ceramic Pour-Over Coffee Set. It provides everything you need for a professional pour-over cup of coffee. Just add coffee and water, and you're ready to go. The kit includes a Hario V60 coffee dripper, a server, a scoop, and 100 disposable paper filters. It's a complete set for making delicious coffee. This set makes the perfect gift for coffee lovers. The server is made of heat-proof borosilicate glass. It features a BPA-free handle and lid. The included measuring spoon helps you get the perfect coffee-to-water ratio. The V60 size 02 is designed to make 1 to 4 cups of coffee. It's perfect for sharing with friends or enjoying a solo cup. It is easy to use and clean. This Hario V60 set is made in Japan. It's crafted with quality and precision. You will enjoy the amazing coffee it makes. What we like. This kit has everything you need to start brewing right away. It includes a dripper, server, scoop, and filters. If you're new to pour over or want a convenient all-in-one solution, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a simple, complete setup. What people say. Works well for my husband and I. This is a great starter kit, which has everything you need. Heavy construction, and the carafe is a great size. Number 4. Hario V60 Ceramic Dripper and Filters Bundle. This ceramic body is designed to retain heat, ensuring a stable temperature during brewing. This feature helps to extract the best flavors from your coffee grounds. The cone shape of this product is specifically designed to highlight the floral and fruity notes in your coffee. It helps to create a more nuanced and enjoyable cup. The spiral ribs allow for the coffee to fully expand during the brewing process. This feature ensures a rich and flavorful extraction, enhancing the overall taste. The large single hole allows you to control the taste of your coffee by adjusting the water flow. This gives you the flexibility to customize your brew to your exact preferences. This bundle includes Hario V60 cone-shaped disposable paper filters. Each filter is designed for single use, ensuring a clean and convenient brewing experience. The package contains 100 natural tabbed size 02 paper filters. These filters are perfect for brewing 1 to 4 cups of coffee, making it ideal for both personal use and small gatherings. What we like. The ceramic body of this dripper retains heat for a consistent brew. Its cone shape is designed to bring out the best in floral and fruity coffees. If you're looking to elevate your coffee's flavor profile, this dripper is a must-have. It is ideal for those who appreciate nuanced coffee flavors. What people say. The ceramic retains heat very well. The V60 design allows for a very clean and flavorful cup of coffee. The pour-over method highlights the nuances of different coffee beans. Number 3. Hario V60 Ceramic Coffee Dripper, size 02, white. This dripper is specially designed to produce an evenly brewed cup of coffee. The durable Japanese ceramic retains heat, ensuring the temperature stays consistent throughout the brewing cycle. Its minimalist look fits seamlessly into any kitchen. The cone shape and unique spiral ridges allow for deeper layering of the coffee grounds. This process results in a deep, rich umami flavor in every cup. It enhances the overall coffee experience. The V60 features a single large hole, giving you ultimate control over the pour. You can pour water quickly for a lighter flavor or slowly for a richer taste. This feature helps to bring out the best in coffees with floral or fruity notes. These ceramic drippers are made from aratayaki, a traditional Japanese ceramic style with a 400-year history. Each Hario pour-over dripper is handmade by local craftspeople in Japan. It's a blend of tradition and modern brewing. Remember that grind size, the amount of coffee, and tamping can affect the brew. Adjusting these factors may require some experimentation. This ensures you get the perfect cup every time. What we like. This dripper is designed to produce an evenly brewed cup of coffee. The unique spiral ridges create a deep, rich umami flavor. If you enjoy experimenting with your brew and want full control over the taste, you should consider this. It is great for coffee enthusiasts who like to fine-tune their brewing process. What people say. It produces a great cup of coffee every time when paired with the Hario V60 filter. After reading all the high reviews and seeing all sorts of videos on various types of brewing, I knew this is the new upgrade. Second, the quality and craftsmanship is superb. It is quite thinner than the original one, so needs a little more care when handling. Number 2. Hario V60 Mugen Ceramic Dripper, size 02, white. This is the Hario V60 Mugen Dripper. It's a beautiful ceramic dripper designed for pour-over coffee. It's a great way to brew a delicious cup of coffee. The dripper is made of glossy white ceramic. It has a sleek and modern design that will look great in any kitchen. The ceramic material helps to maintain a consistent temperature during brewing. The base of the dripper is made of white plastic and is removable. This makes it easy to clean after each use. Simply detach the base and rinse it under water. The hole in the bottom is smaller than the original V60. This creates more flow restriction, resulting in a slower drawdown. This allows for a more even extraction of the coffee grounds. Inside, a diamond pattern helps to relieve surface tension. It also directs the brewed coffee through the filter. This design feature enhances the overall brewing process. What we like. This dripper features a unique design for a slower drawdown. The diamond pattern inside helps direct the coffee flow. If you prefer a more controlled brewing process and want to explore different extraction methods, this is an excellent option. It is perfect for those who enjoy a more concentrated coffee experience. What people say. The ceramic retains heat very well. The design is beautiful and functional. It is easy to clean. Number 1. Hario V60 Pour-Over Coffee Kit Bundle Set. This Hario set has everything you need to start brewing delicious pour-over coffee. It's all conveniently packaged in one box, making it a great gift for any coffee enthusiast. The kit includes a white ceramic dripper, a glass range server, and a pack of paper filters. This ensures you have all the necessary tools to create a perfect cup of coffee. The ceramic dripper is made in Japan using aratayaki, a traditional ceramic style. Each dripper is handmade by local craftspeople, ensuring quality and attention to detail. The V60's cone shape and spiral ridges allow for better coffee ground layering. This design helps to produce a rich and flavorful coffee experience. The dripper's single large hole gives you control over the brewing process. You can adjust the water flow to create a lighter or richer taste, depending on your preference. The included glass server features Hario's classic beehive design. It's made from borosilicate glass, known for its durability and heat resistance. What we like. This set includes a ceramic dripper, glass server, and filters. The dripper is made from traditional Japanese ceramics. If you are looking for a great gift for a coffee lover or want a complete set, this is a great choice. It is ideal for those who appreciate both functionality and aesthetics. What people say. The V60 is the gold standard as it comes to pour over coffee, and it shows with this set. It is super convenient to make a single cup of coffee into the actual cup. All the pieces are top quality, and quite honestly I was a little shocked and how nice all the fit and finish turned out to be. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.